I thank God for giving me one more opportunity to meet you all, my lovely angels. How are you all? Hope you all are healthy and happy. And all those who have come for the first time to our channel, I welcome you all. So today we will be making a beautiful candle holder out of paper crafts. So let's get started. So now let's take red chart paper. Length of this candle holder is 9 cm and the width is 5 cm. And I have shown the measurements. Please follow the instructions. And then once we finish all the markings, let's cut the extra chart paper. So now let's fold the chart paper with the help of a scale like this. And now let's make paper tubes out of these green craft sheets. Now let's take red chart paper and draw thin lines like this according to the measurements given, and then we will be cutting these thin strips. Okay, so the red strips are ready. Let's press green paper tubes like this and then mark and cut the extra, and then let's apply glue and stick the red strip on it like this. Let's cut the extra strip. Then let's apply glue and stick it on the top. The same way we have to stick at the bottom and add both the sides. So now it looks like a frame. Same way we have to make 3 more frames like this. So once it's ready, it will look like this. Now let's start sticking white stones on the center one by one like this. Now the same as the green paper tubes, I have made the white one. Here I'm marking 1 cm. Once we finish the marking, let's cut these paper tubes into small tubes like this. And now let's start making our snowflakes. So here I'm applying glue like this. And now one by one I will be sticking the small paper tubes like this. Now let's cut this small paper tubes into half and let's place it on the top like this. Let's continue the same. So we have stuck all the tiny snowflakes and these are looking just beautiful, so cute. Let's add some more details into it. I'm using small beads here, white beads. On the top corners, 3 beads. We will be sticking like this. Now here again, all over the snowflakes, I'm adding tiny beads in the center and on the top side of the snowflakes. Let's add beads like this. So once we finish our snowflakes, let's add little more detail into our candle holder by making these lines. I'm using golden glitter pen here. Look at this. These golden lines are giving such a royal look to our candle holder. Now here I'm taking a small piece of cardboard and cover it with red craft sheet like this. This will support our candle holder. Now let's apply glue and stick this cardboard like this, and let's cover the box like this to create a candle holder. I'm applying resin here for the first time and I'm super excited to see the result, how it looks. So here is the result. It looks just more beautiful than before, isn't it? I have made two more candle holder. The first one, the length of the first candle holder is 9 centimeter, and the second is 6 centimeter, and the third one is 3 centimeter long. Now let's make the base for our candle holder. For that we require a circle cutout of a cardboard, and then I have covered it with the glitter sheet. Golden glitter sheet I have used here. Now let's apply white glue and stick all 3 candle holders like this, one by one. I had covered the edges with the red glitter sheet, but it was looking a little bit simple. So just to add little more beauty to our candle holder, I have used here lace, white color lace. Now here I have made small holly leaves with the help of green glitter sheet, and with the golden glitter pen I have made the lines on it, and later we have to stick like this red beads I had, so I have stuck the red beads on it. Now let's place our holly leaves one by one like this. So our beautiful candle holder is ready. Do let me know in the comment box below how was this video. I wish you all a very blessed and joyful Christmas season. Merry Christmas, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful. I pray and wish that you all stay healthy and happy. See you all in my next video. Till then, take care.